Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello my dear students, today I will solve some problems of exercise 1.3. So before going to start the exercise 1.3, let us see something about my last videos where I have taught the composition of two functions as if f is a function from a to b and g is another function from b to c, then the composition of f and g is denoted by g of f such that g of f from a to c, this here from a to c, and which is defined by gof g of fx for all x belongs to a, for all x belongs to a, that is gof. ये जो है gof, इसमें the function f is operated first, then followed by the function g, and in general gof not is equal to fork. In general gof not is equal to fork. And another topic was a function f from x to y is said to be invertible if there exists another function z which is from y to x such that gof is equal to ix and fork is equal to iy, where ix and iy are the identity elements. This is the conditions of invertible functions. Okay, and another point we have discussed that the function f is invertible if and only if the function f is bijective. That is, if a function f is invertible, then the function f is both 1 1 and onto, and conversely if the function f is both 1 1 and onto, then the function f is invertible. Okay, question number 1 of exercise 1.3. The question is f and g be two functions given by f contains the ordered pair 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. G consists of the ordered pair 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1. Write down gof. Okay. So let us first draw the diagram. This is the set which is containing the elements 1, 3, 4, and this is the set which consists of the elements 1 to 5, and this is the set consists of the elements 1 and 3. From the function f, we have seen that the image of 1 is 2, that is 1 is associated with 2. The image of 3 is 5, 3 is associated with 5, and the image of 4 is 1, so 4 is associated with 1. And from the function g, we have seen that 1 is associated with 3, that is 3 is the image of 1, 1 ka image is 3, 2 ka image 3, 5 ka image 1. Okay. Now we need to find the gof, that is gof. Okay, here gof is a function from this set to this set. gof is a function from this set to this set. अभी हमको देखना है 1 is related to 2, फिर 2 is related to 3. Finally the image of 1 is 3. इसमें 1 का इमेज क्या है 3, hence gof में 1 का इमेज होगा 3, 1 3. Okay, next 3 okay, 1 3 1, and 4 1 1 feet 3, hence 4 3. So this is the function gof, or composition of two functions f and g. Please find gof and fork if f of x is equal to modulus of x and gx is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. यहाँ से हमको गोफ एंड फॉग निकलना है. ओके, तो सॉल्यूशन देखिए, गोफ x that is z of fx. That is the function f is operated first. Z fx. What is the value of fx? Fx means modulus of x. Fx means modulus of x. Now z will be operated. Here gx is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. Here z modulus of x है. That is x will be replaced by modulus of x in gx. इसमें जो x है, x को modulus of x से replace करना है. तो gx is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. Hence g modulus of x is equal to, इसमें modulus तो है ही, दोनों साइड modulus मैंने दे दिया 5. In place of x, we will write modulus of x minus 2. Okay, so this is the, or hence GOF is equal to modulus of 5 modulus of x minus 2. Okay, for x, that is f of gx. In this case, we will be operated z. First we will operate g. Okay, f gx means, give the bracket, gx is modulus of 5x minus 2. Okay, now f will be operated. अभी फंक्शन f का डेफिनेशन देख लीजिए. एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू मॉडुलस ऑफ एक्स. हेयर एक्स होने से द फंक्शन इज मॉडुलस ऑफ एक्स. दैट इज, इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स विल राइट मॉडुलस ऑफ 5x माइनस 2. तो ये जो मॉडुलस हम पहले लिख लेता हूँ, मॉडुलस एंड एक्स मीन्स दिस मॉडुलस ऑफ 5x minus 2. Double modulus is nothing but modulus of 5x minus 2. This is the answer.
fx is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4, where x not is equal to 2 by 3. Show that f of x is equal to x for all x not is equal to 2 by 3. What is the inverse of f? Okay. And the function is given by fx is equal to this. We need to find the f of x, and we have to show that f of x is equal to x for all x not is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Proof. We have f of is equal to f of fx. Okay, f of fx, that is f of fx का value. What is the value of fx? 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Okay, this is the value of fx. फिर fx, ये जो फंक्शन fx है, in place of x we will write 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. That is, x will be replaced by 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 according to the definition. Okay, तो f x का प्लेस में लिखेंगे. fx is what? This is 4 into x. x means this value, 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4, that is 4x plus 3 divided by 6x. 6 into x means 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 minus 4. Okay, we replace x by 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 equal to, now just here 6x minus 4 multiply 6 4s are 24x plus 18 minus 4. Here also 6x minus 4. 4 4s are 16x plus 4 3s are 12 plus 3. Here 6x minus 4, 24x plus 18
minus 4 6 are 24x minus minus plus 16. Here also 6x minus 4, 16x plus 12, 3 6 are 18 plus 18x minus 12, minus 12 plus 12 minus 24x plus 24x. So it will be 6x minus 4, here is 18x into होने से 6x minus 4 divided 18 plus 16, that is 34. Oh sorry, here 16 plus 18, 16 plus 18, that is 34x. Okay, this cancel, 34 and this 34 is cancels, so x. Hence f of fx is equal to x. Okay, this is proved. Second part, what is the inverse of f? हम लोगों को इन्वर्टिबल का कंडीशन क्या मिला है? इफ गॉफ इज इक्वल टू आई एक्स एंड फॉग इज इक्वल टू आई वाई, आई एक्स मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, आई वाई मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ वाई, सेम. Then z is called the inverse of f. Okay. Here, if we replaced z by f, so what will happen? You see, if we replace z by f of f is equal to ix or x. Here, z by x, f of z का प्लेस में f लिखने से it is again identity element ix, और here also x. तो अल्टीमेटली इससे पहले जो हम लोग प्रूफ किया है वो क्या मिला है? f ऑफ f इज इक्वल टू x मिला है और आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट, एंड व्हिच शोज दैट f is itself is the inverse of f. f is itself is the inverse of f. Okay, तो since f of f is equal to ix, and which shows that f is f itself is the inverse of f. Inverse of f, that is f inverse is equal to four x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4, where x naught is equal to 2 by 3. Question number 5 is state with reason whether following functions have inverse. Question 5 का 1 number question is, f is a function from this set to this set, the domain contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and codomain contains the elements 10 only, and the function f is defined as 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, that is the image of 1 is 10, image of 2 is 10, image of 3 is 10, image of 4 is 10. Whether it is invertible or not, हम लोग क्या जानते हैं? A function f is invertible if the function f is both 1, 1 and on 2. तो अभी हम लोग देखेंगे जो फंक्शन f है ये बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन होता है और नहीं होता है. इफ द फंक्शन इज बाइजेक्टिव, दैट इज इफ द फंक्शन इज बोथ 1, 1 and on 2, then the function f is invertible, otherwise it is not invertible. Okay, let us see with the help of the diagram. Here the 1, 2, 3, 4 and this set consists the element only 10. Image of 1 is 10, image of 2 is 10, image of 3 is 10, image of 4 is 10. This is the function f. Here we see that the images of the distinct elements of this set are not distinct. Therefore the function f is not 1 1, क्योंकि इसमें images of the elements 1 2 3 and 4 is the same, that is 10. Hence this function f is not 1 1. Since the function f is not 1 1, therefore the function is not bijective, hence the function is not invertible. Okay, so now let us write. Here we see that the images of distinct elements of 1 2 3 4 under f are not distinct, hence f is not 1 1, therefore f is not bijective, hence f is not invertible, क्योंकि invertible होने के लिए the function must be bijective. G is a function from the set consist of the elements 5 6 7 8 to the set consist of the elements 1 2 3 4, and the function G is defined by as shown on the display board. Okay, so let us see the function with the help of a diagram. Here let this is the domain which contains the elements 5 6 7 8 5 6 7 8, and this is the codomain of the function which contains the elements 1 2 3 4, and the function is from this set to this set Z. Okay, at the image of 5 is 4, image of 5 is 4, image of 6 is 3, image of 6 is 3, image of 7 is 4, image of 7 is 4, image of 8 is 2. Okay, from the diagram it is clear that the different elements 5 and 7, the different elements 5 and 7 of the domain have the same image 4, therefore it is not 1 1, क्योंकि 1 1 होने के लिए different elements of the domain must have the different image in codomain. Since here two different elements 5 and 7 have the same image 4, therefore it is not 1 1. Since it is not 1 1, therefore it is not bijective, hence inverse of G does not exist. That is the inverse, that is G is not invertible. Okay, here we see that different elements 5 and 7 of 5 6 7 8 have the same image 4, therefore f is not 1 1, hence not f, G is not 1 1, therefore G is not invertible. Question number 6 is show that the function f where domain is the closed interval minus 1 to 1 to the set of real number given by fx is equal to x divided by x plus 2 is 1 1. Find the inverse of the function f where the domain is same but the codomain is range of f. Okay, so we need to show that the function f from the where the domain is the closed interval -1 to 1 to the set of real number is 1 1. Okay, first we will show the function is 1 1 1 1. तो 1 1 के लिए हम लोग को क्या करने से पहले हम लोग क्या है, we need to consider two elements of the domain. So let x1 x2 belongs to -1 to 1 be any two elements, be any two elements such that fx1 is equal to fx2. Okay, fx1 means x1 divided by x1 plus 2 and here x2 divided by x2 plus 2 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई x1 x2 प्लस 2x1 x1 x2 प्लस 2x2 x1 x1 cancel, hence 2x1 is equal to 2x2, therefore x1 is equal to x2, hence f is 1 1, hence f is 1 1. Okay, this is the first part, and the second part is find the inverse of f, where f is a function from -1 to 1 to range of f, range f. Okay, where f is a function from the domain to its range. Okay, we know that every function of this type where the codomain is the range of the function itself is obviously onto, therefore no need to show that the function is onto. Since the function is obviously onto, therefore no need to show it. Okay, just we need to find the inverse of f, and inverse is nothing but the value of x in terms of y. Okay, let y belongs to range of f, be any elements, be any element, so that y is equal to fx, so that y is equal to fx, that is y is equal to fx means x by x plus 2. Now we need to find the value of x in terms of y. Okay, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने से x is equal to xy plus 2y, x is equal to xy plus 2y. So x minus xy is equal to 2y, common is x, 1 minus y is equal to 2y, hence what is x? So the value of x is 2y by 1 minus y. Okay, where y is not is equal to 1, where y is not is equal to 1. Therefore f inverse is equal to this 2y by 1 minus y.